Welcome to the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Ryerson, and here's the seafood news for the week of May 6th, 2019. In this week's episode, we see what's happening with raw materials in China. Let's start with the Pacific Cod market. Russian frozen at sea Pacific Cod raw materials are around $3,500 per metric ton compared to $3,900 for longline. We saw the Pacific Cod market dip slightly at the beginning of the year, but we now see it beginning to rise again as Atlantic cod strengthens too. The total allowable catch has decreased year to year in the Gulf of Alaska by 6% to 12.4 thousand metric tons and by 11% to 180,000 metric tons in the Bering Sea and Aleutian Islands. Buyers should anticipate a market rise and take advantage of inventory opportunities now before strong raw material pricing adjusts twice frozen fillets and loin offers. As always, we recommend buyers to question the moisture content of twice frozen Pacific Cod products to compare offers equally. Chinese processors are anticipating the big year ahead for Alaskan pink salmon, with forecasts showing 138 million pink salmon expected statewide. Pricing could be around $2,900 per metric ton and possibly drop if the catch is good. Chum salmon forecasts show 29 million salmon for Alaska, which would be the largest harvest on record for the state. Some Chinese processors commented that they are still trying to deplete last year's inventories ahead of the new season. All indicators point positively to aggressive offers on finished goods this season. Stay tuned for more information once harvests begin. Pollock raw materials remain strong at $1,530 per metric ton, which should soften in the coming months, but no signs of changes yet. The total allowable catch in the Gulf of Alaska decreased year to year by 15% to 141,000 metric tons. However, in the Bering Sea, it increased by 2.4% to 1.4 million metric tons. Buyers should expect to see some relief in twice frozen pricing, but not for several months. Flounder raw materials have been decent in supply, but processors indicate production is slowing. Harvest in Alaska as of the end of last month totaled 81.2 thousand metric tons for flathead, rock, and yellowfin soles. While the harvest totals are much higher than last time this year, about 25% more, supply is still slower than the current market demand. Finished goods pricing is strong, around $3.60 a pound on skinless fillets with the tariffs applied. Chinese processors are anticipating pricing to remain strong for several months. And finally, our Tradex Live offer of the week is for Sinbad brand Pacific Cod fillets. We have 10,000 pounds remaining of 16 to 32 ounce IQF twice frozen fillets available in Los Angeles for $3.59 a pound US dollars. Click or tap the icon above to view this offer. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Ryerson. Buy smart and eat more seafood.